kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Today is an important occasion where we get the chance to acknowledge the importance of women and the hard work they put in every aspect of life. On March 8, we celebrate International Women's Day to commemorate the women's extraordinary contribution to our culture and also the remarkable achievements they make in the field of science, academic, technology, politics, industry, media, etc. In today's session, we are going to learn how and when International Women's Day started. So let's start. When was the first official International Women's Day celebrated? History of Women's Day. This was first celebrated on 19th March 1911 but is now celebrated every 8th March. Women joined to celebrate the date that represent equality, justice, peace and development. International Women's Day is rooted in the struggle of women seeking to participate on an equal footing with men. Who invented International Women's Day? It is Clara Zetkin. The idea to make the day international came from a woman called Clara Zetkin. She suggested the idea in 1910 at an international conference of working women in Copenhagen. The International Women's Day is been held for more than 100 years. In March 1917, Russian women achieved the right to vote. In 1975, during the International Women's Day, the United Nations recognized the day and created a theme each year for the day's celebration. At these events, the achievements and services of women are depicted and presented before the nation. It shows the marvelous works of women for mankind. More than 15 countries have official holidays only for women on this day. This country include Afghanistan, Angola, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Burkina Faso, Cambodia, China, Cuba, Georgia, Eritrea, Guinea-Bissau, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Madagaskar, Moldova, Mongolia, Nepal, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uganda, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Vietnam and Zambia. In countries like Cameroon, Croatia, Romania, Bulgaria, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Chile, it is customary for men to give the woman in their life, that is mother, wife, grandmothers, sisters, daughters, friends, colleagues, flowers and small gifts. In Bulgaria and Romania, it is also observed as an equivalent to Mother's Day, where children give presents to their mothers and grandmothers. To celebrate Women's Day in Italy, man gave yellow mimosa flowers to women. What is the logo of International Women's Day? Its logo is a looping arrowed circle with the female gender symbol at the inset. Purple is the symbolic color of International Women's Day. It denotes justice and dignity. On this day, women wear ribbons of purple color around their wrist. They also use patches and stripes of combined green, purple and white color. International Women's Day theme for 2021 is Women Scientists at the Forefront of the Fight Against COVID-19. The outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic has clearly demonstrated the critical role of women researchers in the different stages of fight against COVID-19, from advancing the knowledge on the virus to developing technique for testing and finally to creating the vaccine against the virus. Against this backdrop, this year the main event will take place online. It will address the theme Women Scientists at the Forefront of the Fight Against COVID-19 and will gather together experts from different parts of the world. It is a day that recognizes the achievement of all women regardless of their race, religion, ethnicity, political belief, language, or the culture and economic situation. On this day, let us honor the remarkable achievements of the women in different fields and the contribution towards our society and nation. These women are inspiration for all of us. The first Indian woman to be awarded Bharat Ratna was former Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, the first Lady Governor of Indian State, Srimati Sarojini Naidu, the first Lady Chief Minister of State, Srimati Sucheta Kriplani, the first Lady Central Minister of Country, Srimati Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, and the first woman President of Indian National Congress, Miss Annie Besant. The first woman to become the Chief Election Commissioner, Mrs. Rama Devi, the first woman to be appointed Chief Justice of State High Court, Justice Leela Seth, the first woman to be appointed Judge of the Supreme Court, Justice M. Fatima Bibi, first woman to be appointed the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mrs. Meera Kumar, the first woman President of UN General Assembly, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The first Indian woman to swim the English Channel, Aarti Saha. The first Indian woman to win Olympic medal, Karnam Malleshwari. The first Indian woman to win Asian medal, Kamalchit Sandhu. The first Indian woman to receive Gallantry Award in the Indian Army Sena Medal for Act of Bravery in Afghanistan, Major Mitali Madhumita. International Women's Day is a time for everyone, regardless of gender identity, to celebrate the progress that women have made towards equality and remember how much further there is to go. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar rightly said, I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. As the world celebrates International Women's Day on 8th March, I express my gratitude to all women, grandmother, mothers, sisters, daughters, wife, friend, peers, professionals, and to all known and unknown women, and wish them a very happy Women's Day. Not just this day, but every day, be strong, be independent, be bold, and be passionate. Women are always a source of inspiration for the family and the society. Very happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Once again, happy Women's Day.